Welcome to AI Practicals YouTube channel. My name is Sridhar. Today I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube thumbnails using free AI tools. The tool that I'm going to teach you today is called Leonardo AI. I'll give you Leonardo AI tool link in the description where you can go ahead and register your free account and start creating your YouTube thumbnails for free. Before we jump in, let me give you some few ideas where how you can create your viral thumbnails using these free tools. The video which I have created, which I have said before, how to create thumbnails with AI free. When I search in YouTube, you can see viral thumbnails. You can see how these thumbnails looks really good, right? So if you want to create similar thumbnails, you need to download these thumbnail images first online. Once you downloaded these viral thumbnails, you need to go to ChatGPT and you have to add all these viral thumbnails and you have to say, can you create eye-catching attractive YouTube thumbnails from a YouTube video, and give me some image prompts. And you can see here ChatGPT has given 5 unique thumbnail prompts where you can create using Leonardo AI, Midjourney or Tally 3. You can see there are 4 to 5 image prompts which was being generated by ChatGPT. Once these prompts has been generated by ChatGPT, copy those prompts, go to Leonardo AI, and in this image section you can see here there are so many attractive images, videos created by people all around the world. You need to click on images. It will take you to the next page where you can go ahead and paste these viral prompts. Let me copy this one. For example, you need to copy this prompt. Click on this image section. You need to select 16:9 and the default will be, the number of images will be 1. The model will be auto and select any of the style recommendations: cinematic, creative, dynamic. You can just leave it in dynamic itself. You need to paste this viral prompt here, thumbnail prompt, and you have to click on generate. Currently I can't generate this YouTube thumbnail because normally I will get around 150 free credits in the free plan. Since I have already created viral thumbnails to show as an example for you guys, that's why I don't have enough credit for today. It's been already being used, but this 150 credit will get auto refreshed and created each and every day. So you can generate 4 to 5 viral thumbnails for your videos on a daily basis using this free tool itself. You no need to pay any paid tools for generating viral thumbnails. And you can use this free tool itself for your YouTube videos to create viral thumbnails. Okay, and let me share this viral thumbnail prompt which I have created for my video. You can see here the thumbnails. The thumbnails look good, right? You can use any of the thumbnails for your YouTube videos, and you can do some testing which thumbnail works best for your YouTube videos. Okay, and if these viral thumbnails not suit for you, you can go ahead and regenerate the next day. For another 4 viral thumbnails, you can go to ChatGPT and ask more prompts as well, and you can create more viral thumbnails for your YouTube videos. If you like my video, please go ahead and like, subscribe and support my channel. I will go ahead and create more videos for you guys so that it will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.